So, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for today's another video, so meron tayong site na pwede natin pagkakitaan at ito ang eprice99.com. So, paano nga ba makapag-register dito? So, first, meron ditong login and register. So, tignan nyo lang yung register. So, sa register guys, na ilalagay nyo lang yung inyong create username. So, mag-create lang kayo ng inyong username. And then, create kayo ng password. And then, yung confirm password nyo. And then, yung invitation code. And then, yung enter nyo lang yung phone number. So, guys, now, sa enter your phone number, so, i-click nyo lang dito kung ano yung inyong region. Or, nasa ba tayo ngayon? So, hanapin natin yung Philippines. So, Philippines. So, i-enter nyo lang yung phone nyo. And then, yung code, verification code, kakopy nyo lang siya, then ilalagay nyo siya dito. So, once na input nyo na yung mga information nyo, click nyo lang yung register. So, yun nga guys, no? Nakapag-register na tayo, nakapag-login sa ating apps. So, meron dito, bago tayo tumungo sa ating deposit at withdrawal, so magtungo na tayo sa ating company profile. So, sa company profile, guys, no, dito yung ating, so, ePrice is the first Italian e-commerce company. We decided to work in Italy because our country has a great potential and it's the most beautiful country in the world. So, we sell millions of products every year, offering our clients the convenience of buying online, also through smartphones and the opportunity to choosing among many options of delivery and payment. Our mission is to serve the technological evolution of Italian households. So, ePrice has a catalog of more than 1 million different products, thousands of special offers, also activated by our 3P marketplace with a special focus on high-tech products and appliances. So we support our clients step by step throughout the buying and installation process, offering a full-service platform. So ito nga yung mga latest, no? So, Chairman Claudio Calabi is currently Chairman and CEO of Risanamento or SPA. He has held various positions in significant companies in particular. He was Chairman of Societa Capital del SIP SPA, Vice Chairman of Banca Secare, Ponte SPA, Independent Director of Banca Carriage SPA, CEO of Group 2 Soul 24 Ore, CEO of and Managing Director of RCS Editori SPA. So, ito yung mga latest news. So, makikita rin natin sa company profile yung ating mga latest news. So, magtungo tayo ulit sa ating home. So, yun nga guys, so magtungo tayo sa invitation. Dito natin makikita yung sa home, makikita natin yung invitation. Sa invitation, makikita natin yung QR code natin guys. No? So, pwede nyo itong i-copy. Ito invitation link and invitation code natin. So, pwede nyo lang siya i-copy through social media like Facebook, Instagram at Messenger or other social media nyo guys para makapag-earn kayo ng inyong mga rewards. At para mas dumami yung mga rewards na makukuha sa ating app. So, yun nga, balik tayo sa ating home. So, itong ePrice platform natin, guys, is a part-time and full-time platform siya, guys, no? So, we only need dito na ay ang mobile phones. So, ang kailangan natin dito, guys, is mobile phone para makapag-earn tayo ng 50 USDT everyday. So, yun nga, once na nakapag-sign up kayo dito sa ating app, na meron kayong once na nakapag-sign kayo sa ating app, so meron kayo marireceive na 300 USDT. So, yun nga guys, no? Ilalagay ko sa aking description box below yung aking invitation link. Once na nakapag-sign up kayo, kontakin nyo lang yung agent. And then, para ma-receive yung 300 USDT. So, sa business hall guys, na meron tayo eBid. So, eBid or eBid. So, Yatego, onbuy.com, Salora, Lazada, ePrice, Gold, and Platinum. And then, meron din tayo ditong Diamond and Open. Itong Open Soon. So, dito sa eBid or eBid. So, entry limit nila is 0.0. Limit level 1. Daily order is 20. Commission rate is 0.3%. And then, sa Yatego is entry limit is 30. And then, limit level 1. And daily order is 30. And then, commission rate is 0.4%. And on buy.com, entry limit niya is 500 and the limit level niya is level 2. Daily order 35 and commission rate is 0.43. So sa Salora naman guys, no, meron tayo ditong entry limit is 2,000 and then level limit is level 3 and daily order and 40. So commission rate niya is 0.46. So meron din tayo dito sa Lazada, ePrice, Gold, Platinum, and Diamond and Open Soul. So makikita nyo rin siya dito guys. So yun nga guys, no, dito sa ating app, so I can earn 100 USDT per day in 10 minutes. And then, so yun guys, I have established of my own team. And then, I hope to encourage more people to join to my team. So, ipakita ko dito yung aking proof of deposit and withdrawal. So yun guys, ganun lang din ulit kung paano mag-register. So, babalik tayo sa ating Back tayo sa ating, yun. So, register. So, dito sa pag-register natin guys, no? So, meron ditong create username, create password, confirm your password, enter the invitation, and then yung enter your phone number. So, ito guys, no, yung invitation code or invitation link. So, maglalagay ako sa aking description box or yung aking link sa aking description box. Ilalagay ko doon kung ano yung aking description. At ilalagay nyo rin dito yung enter the invitation code para makasali kayo sa aking team. So, input nyo lang yung mga information nyo, then copy nyo lang yung verification code, then click nyo lang yung register para makapag-login na rin tayo sa ating apps. So, yun guys, magtungo tayo sa ating deposit para mag-deposit or withdraw dito sa ating app. So, magtungo tayo sa ating deposit. So, deposit guys, so USDT, meron tayo ditong USDT, and TRC20 USDT, and then USDT, ERC20 USDT. So, click natin itong TRC20 kasi ang gagamitin natin is your ating Binance. So, click natin itong next. And then, meron dito transfer channel USDT top up, and then input natin yung i-recharge or itatop up natin dito sa ating app na e-price. So, meron dito 30, 50, 100, 300, 500, 1,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 30,000, 50,000, and 100,000. So, nandito yung ating deposit address, and then transaction. So, fill in transaction text or transaction hash, or upload your transaction certificate. So, once na nakapag-register, once na nakapag-recharge or top up kayo dito sa ating app, is makakuha kayo ng once na nakapag-recharge kayo ng 100 USDT sa ating app, so makakuha kayo ng 8 USDT rewards. So, dito sa ating app guys, no, pwede ditong Binance account or other cryptocurrency to buy USDT and do transaction. So, kahit anong cryptocurrency na account to buy USDT. So, pwede ditong marami tayong pwedeng pagpilian kung magkano ating itatap up dito sa ating app. So, magtungo naman tayo kung paano natin ito friendly reminder para sa atin si e-price, no? So, the amount of USDT for every single top up is 32 1 million. And then, please enter the correct amount of USDT and wallet address. Please contact our online customer service if the amount is not shown or error. So, please do not repeatedly submit the order after complete the transfer. Submit once only once. Please keep your transfer voucher properly. We will not be responsible for any stolen transfer voucher. So, make sure lang guys na correct yung amount and yung USDT wallet address nyo para walang magkaroon ng problema sa ating pag-deposit o withdraw sa ating app. So, yun guys, na after successful ng ating recharge, so pwede na tayo mag-grab ng 30 orders and then makakuha tayo ng ating commission per day. So, yun guys, dito sa ating pag-withdraw, so you have not set the payment password and cannot withdraw. Do you want to set your payment password now? So, click nyo lang confirm and then you need to set the transaction password. So, mag-enter lang kayo. So, once na naka-enter na kayo, click nyo lang yung submit. And then, meron dito withdrawal method. So, once na click natin yung withdrawal method, click nyo lang yung add withdrawal method. So, identity information. So, lalagay nyo lang yung enter nyo yung real name, and then enter email address, and then yung inyong phone number, and then yung address. And then, withdrawal method information. So, USDT, and then TRC. So, please enter network address. So, yung enter network address. So, then click nyo lang yung, enter nyo lang yung transaction password nyo sa inyong pag-withdraw. So, click nyo lang yung submit. Once na make sure lang guys na complete yung inyong ilalagay ng information dito para wala tayong problema sa ating pag-withdraw sa ating app. So, yun guys, magtungo na nga tayo sa ating, pagkatapos yung mapaliwanag yung aking deposit and withdrawal, so magtungo naman tayo sa ating Yatego. So, para makapag-grab na tayo ng ating orders. So, yun guys, nandito tayo sa ating Yatego. So, Yatego, exclusive channel for exclusive members. So, commission rate ko is 0.4%. So, nandito yung meron tayo deposit, upgrade, and automatic grab. So, ito yung today's achievement. So, automatic grab ko na yung aking 20 orders. So, meron pa tayong 10 orders, no? So, click lang natin itong automatic grab para makomplete na natin yung ating orders for today. So, 20 na. So, 10 na lang. So, ang kailangan natin ngayon is 30. So, click nyo lang itong automatic grab. Wait nyo lang siya. So, magka-countdown niya ng 5 to 1. And then, so yun nga no, meron tayo ditong total amount orders. Ito may mga commission estimated return. So click nyo lang to, meron dito tayo pagpipiliang cancel and submit. So click nyo lang to submit. And then order complete na siya. So ganun lang siya guys no, para mag-grab ng ating orders for today. So tapusin natin siya hanggang maging 30. So may countdown siya guys. So click nyo lang yung submit. Then ulit. Magka-countdown yan. So, nakaka-complete order na sila yung 22, no? So, click nyo lang yung submit. And then, automatic grab ulit. Paulit lang siya guys, ganun lang siya hanggang makomplete natin yung orders natin na 30. Automatic. So, orders complete natin is 24 na. So, kailangan na natin ng 6. So, submit lang. So, 5 na lang. Submit lang natin. Ganun lang siya guys, ulit lang. So, ito palang app natin guys, no? Itong platform natin is 10 days ago pa lang siya. So, bagong labas lang siya sa atin app. So, ito nga, no? So, marami na ritong successful na nakapag-withdraw at nakakuha na ng cash dito sa ating app. So, no need to worry, no? So, 100% guarantee ka na makakapag-withdraw ka dito sa ating app. So, 3 orders na lang tayo guys para makomplete natin yung orders for today. So, automatic grab lang natin siya hanggang makomplete natin yung 30 orders. So, yun guys, ilalagay ko sa aking description box below yung aking link at invitation link or invite code. And then, once na nakapag-sign up kayo, so kontakin nyo lang ako or kung saan man kayo nakapag-sign up, kontakin nyo lang yun and then, para makakuha kayo ng 300 USDT. So, yun nga, no? Complete na natin yung ating orders for today. So, yun nga guys, meron pala dito, no? So, a higher rank member can unlock more orders and get more commission. So, meron dito description. So, first, every members from this room be able to grab 20 orders per day. And then, the second is, the commission of the purchase will be 0.3% of each order amount. And then, third, the system automatically dispatch the products through the cloud. And fourth, if the order is not confirmed and submitted by the member after the product successfully dispatched, he or she might not be able to continue to grab the orders and the member to process with the previous order to continue with the task. So, yun nga guys, na makikita natin yung commission natin dito. So, 9.34. So, makikita rin natin siya guys dito, no? So, ito palang app natin is pwede siya ma-download. So, click nyo lang tong app. And then, click to continue visit. So, ito nga siya, no? So, pwede siya ma-download. So, yun nga guys, no, ito na nga, no, deposit na nga yung ating withdraw dun sa ating app. So, successfully na nga siya guys, no. So, your deposit of 932.30 USDT is now available in your Binance account. So iti-check lang natin yung ating balance. So, ito nga yung ating withdraw record sa ating app. So, handling fee is 11 and then other fee, total deduction, and then handling fee and other fee. So, amount proposed is 1,030 and actual payment is 1,019. So, makikita rin natin sa ating yung withdrawal record, no. So, yun guys, ito sa ating app, no? So, many people invested and successfully withdraw dito sa ating app. And then, ay lalagay ko sa aking description box yung aking link. At mag-join kayo sa aking team para mas magdagan yung pagkakitaan. At mag-invite kayo ng ibang mga friends na mag-recharge or magkatap up or deposit dito sa ating app. More than 100 USDT. And then, we will receive 5 USDT. So, once na nakapag-invite kayo ng mga friends nyo, and then makaka-receive kayo ng 5 USDT. And then, when you, madodouble yung inyong bonus, and then, makiklaim nyo yung inyong bonus sa inyong online customer service, para maklaim nyo yung inyong mga bonus. So, nandito yung ating online service, online rewards, and then WhatsApp customer service. Dito na siya, makiklaim yung inyong bonus. Yung bonus nyo na, once nakapag-invite kayo sa ating app. So, yun guys, ano pang hinihintay nyo, ulitin ko lang, ilalagay ko sa aking description box below yung aking link. At huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell button para update. So, yun nga guys, no, ito na nga, no, deposit na nga yung ating withdraw dun sa ating app. So, successfully na nga siya guys, no. So, your deposit of 932.30 USDT is now available in your Binance account. So iti-check lang natin yung ating balance. So, ito nga yung ating withdraw record sa ating app. So, handling fee is 11 and then other fee, total deduction, and then handling fee and other fee. So, amount proposed is 1,030 and actual payment is 1,019. So, makikita rin natin sa ating yung withdrawal record, no.